I got an Amazon haul, guys. This is my fall shower curtain. I'm gonna show you guys this later when I do a video on this. I'm not trying to say too many times. And I ended up saying it. Let me turn this TV down so they don't get me for the sound. But I got my daughter and son some body washes. It's more to come because I got these. I had like some digital I had some digital coupons for Amazon. I earned some digital coupons and I was able to get them some body wash. And I earned a lot of points on Fetch. If you're not acquainted with me on Fetch, guys, join me on Fetch because you can turn your purchases into gift cards. Whatever receipt you have, whether it's online or a physical receipt, you can get gift cards for that. So I'm saving mine all to the end of the year for my kids' Christmas stuff. I always save all my points to the end of the year so I want to at least be able to accumulate up to $200 to $300. I was saying $500 at the beginning of the year, but if I can get $200 to $300 worth of gift cards, that will, oh my God, that will bless my soul. So join me on Fetch, y'all, so I can get some points for referrals. But anyways, I got this pampering body wash. It's the Delicate Orchard and Amber. Then we got, all right, guys. So I have an Amazon haul. I got these Pure Life waters, 2 of these, and I have this Old Spice Swagger body wash that I got for Aaron. I got these animal cookies, the Amazon brand. I have these, another pair, well, this is not pants. This is Ashley's hair. And this is another pair of pants for the boys. I got 2 of these 8-packs of Star Kiss tuna. I got the Chef Boyardee spaghetti and meatballs that Aaron likes. And that is it for this haul. Alright, guys, so I got a Sam's Club haul, guys. I got 2 of these 2-packs of soft white bimbo bread. I got some bananas. I have 2 gallons of Mark's Members milk. I got a 10-pound bag of potatoes. I have some chicken. I got a bag of chicken legs. And I have some cage-free eggs. Some more shaved turkey breast. Some Cheez-Its. Hold on, I'm coming back, guys. All right, guys, so right here we have the Chester fries. We have the Ruffles, Doritos, which I already opened for Anthony. I got 2 bags of these Members Mark Wavy Classic chips. I have some Sun chips, and I have these Doritos. What kind of Doritos are these? These are sweet and spicy chili. All my kids like these. That's it for this haul. All right, guys, so I did a lot of the back, guys. Back is almost done. I'm gonna do a little bit of like the middle, and then I'm gonna stop and take a break and do some more tonight, probably when Anthony goes to sleep. Or either I'm gonna start on it again tomorrow. I want to take my time and do it because I want it to be done right. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. So I want to probably put you guys down right here. I'm sorry, y'all. And go ahead and start breathing. Y'all, excuse my what I have on. I just got on my night clothes because that's what I've been in all day because I'm doing my hair. I don't want to like put on good clothes and I'm home doing my hair. Like, what sense did that make? But anyways, I'm about to, I've been trying to part this junk because I'm trying to make sure I part it like as neat as possible, y'all. I like for my hair to be parted. Try to part it as neat as possible. And that's what I'm trying to work on now. Is parting it a lot better because In the past, I have done my hair and I didn't part it so good. So I'm trying to work on parting it a whole lot better. That's one of my goals that I have. So yeah, but I got this gown. If anybody want to know the details, I got this gown from Shein. Yeah, got it from Shein. And that's what I'm doing, just braiding. And I'm using this. I got to put it on my Amazon front store. I wish I had the stickers on there, but my son Anthony, this boy, he take the stickers off all the time, y'all. I wish I would have started off doing a full hair vlog, but I'm just trying to get it done. You know how it is when you're just trying to get something done. I'm gonna do a vlog cleaning this bathroom and putting decorations up. So stay tuned for that. Putting just bathroom decor for the fall. And so stay tuned for that as well. So yeah, that's what's going on. I'm listening to all the stuff that's going on in this Diddy trial. That's what I'm listening to while I'm doing hair and watching people vlogs while I'm doing hair. So I'll be back, guys. Alright guys, so I'm getting close to done. I plaited it up and parted it so that I plaited it up and parted it real good this time. I'm so proud of myself. Like, I came a long way. I like how I did my edges as well. It looks so neat. I can't wait till it's done. I don't got that many braids to go. I got a good 12 braids to go. So I'm like halfway through. So next I'm gonna do Ashley's hair. I think I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I'm gonna take it out tonight. And yeah, I'm gonna do her hair next. So I like these. I made them a lot bigger so it'll be easier for me to take them out. And I like them big like this. I love them big. Kind of like jumbo size. So pretty. Yeah, I'm almost done.
You see this girl? She's beautiful. She's wonderful. She's courageous. She's marvelous. She's brilliant. She's special. And she's the apple of God's eyes. When you see her, dash her money. She deserves it. Yes.
Alright guys, so I'm frying some potatoes. I got more potatoes that I got in the microwave. I'm making some grits. And I'm making toast. They're during Anthony. I had got a 2-pack from Sam's, and he ripped this 2-pack open. He ripped it open the other day. I'm like, oh man, I got to hurry up and make these, but I got another 2-pack. Thank God I had bought two packs of bread, so we have 4 loaves, and I just use this for toast and breadcrumbs, and yeah, just use it for toast and like breadcrumbs, and then they make, I'm glad I bought a lot of sandwich meat too, because they can make sandwiches like for not breakfast, for lunch and snack or whatever. And that'll be what all she wrote. Anyways, I'm about to make some turkey bacon as well. I'll be back, y'all. Alright guys, here is our breakfast. We have some potatoes, we have some scrambled eggs, some grits, some toast, and turkey bacon for breakfast this morning, guys. I didn't even get to come back to y'all to show y'all why I was cooking. Alright guys, so right now I am watching the Art of Dialogue, and I'm about to do my daughter's hair. I got the hair right here. It has 6 packs. I thought it came with 8 packs, but it's okay. I will make it work. And I still have this hair from last time. And I still have this hair from last time. So, so this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's like 8 packs. I'm gonna make it work. Like if the outside, I can use some black if the outside is running out. So I know what I can do. So anyways, I'm about to do her hair. I'm gonna blow it out. Try to blow it out first, so that I don't have to worry about it being so hard for her to so it won't be so hard for me to, oh Lord, I got food on my face still, because I just got finished eating, y'all. I don't want it to be so hard to comb and manage through, so I'm gonna finish blowing it out and comb it out, and then I'm gonna get it together. Be back, guys. All right, guys, so I am done with Miss Ashley's hair. Turn around some more. I am done. Them parts getting straighter and everything. I'm so proud of myself. I'm getting better and better. So I gotta keep doing my thing because I'm getting better and better. The more I do it, the better it gets. All right, guys, so I had already sprayed the spray on this window. I don't know why my sprays always end up not working properly, but it's so annoying. I already sprayed this window, this window down. I'm gonna clean this bathroom up, and then I'm gonna decorate it a little bit. I don't have everything in here that I want to put in here. Like, it's a special type of smell that I want in here. I'm about to clean the sink out and everything. This is the kids' bathroom. I got them a very nice shower curtain. It's so cute. I can't wait to get some more stuff. I just wanted like the house to look festive for them. And you hear Anthony in the other bathroom. Got this window clean. I love to come in the bathroom and like the windows clean and everything clean in the bathroom. There's nothing like a clean bathroom, y'all. Nothing like a clean bathroom. Cause who wanna come and do their business in the bathroom not clean? That gotta be very uncomfortable. Very. Y'all, I'm trying to get so much done. I did Ashley's hair today. I did finish my hair yesterday. So we didn't even get to go anywhere today, but we went somewhere yesterday. So y'all, excuse how I look because I'm just doing the night thing right now with the night clothes. I've been doing hair all day, so I haven't really gotten dressed. I just brushed my teeth and took a shower and put this back on and did Ashley hair. So that's what's going on right now. Y'all can see that shower curtain in the background. Well, the shower curtain line. I'm gonna put a newer shower curtain line up. Yeah, I'm gonna put a newer one up. And then I'm about to clean the sink down, guys, next. I just want to make sure these mirrors clean first. Alright guys, so I'm going to use this for the sink. Scrubbing bubbles, this is what I use. And you can get this from Sam's Club, you can get it from BJ's, you can even get it from Walmart, I believe, and probably some dollar stores. And this is what I use for my mirror. And you can also use vinegar. I'm going to use vinegar for my mirror because my mirror is a little bit more scuffed up than my kids, so I'm going to use vinegar for my mirror. Anyways, yeah, I'm about to scrub this down. I use this same rag, y'all. I don't know what it's freaking, I don't know if this came from me doing my hair or me doing my daughter's hair. Anyways, make sure that I clean this sink out good, because I feel like it feels so much better when you have like a cleaner, like a clean environment. Like you feel more motivated when your house clean and everything clean. So I just say, always try to clean your house out. Keep your house clean as possible, because you want to just have like a comfortable living space. Look at this darn thing. Next, I'm gonna sweep the floors down so I can mop the floor. Got that chip or something up there. And then I'm gonna put all the toothpastes up. Toothbrushes, I'm my toothpastes. And I got a whole freaking sink in here. Nothing like a clean house, y'all. Nothing like a clean house. You want your space to be clean. All right. Y'all, I'm so mad. I keep forgetting to, every time I go on Walmart.com, I forget to get comments. Every time. It aggravates the mess out of me. I just cannot escape this hair. When you do hair, no matter how much you try to clean that junk, you just still find the junk everywhere. It's so annoying. That's why I'm glad I cleaned my spot. I thought I cleaned it good enough, but evidently I didn't clean it good enough. I'm gonna clean in the cracks of this junk. All right, guys, I'll be back. All right, guys, so it's clean. It's clean. The mirror's clean. Everything. Now I'm going to clean the rest of this. So, all right, guys, this is my the shower curtains that the kids have in their bathroom, guys. I'm about to mop and sweep the floor. I already swept the floor. I'm about to mop it. And so this is what it looks like. I got it from Amazon for those who want to know. And I'm about to switch out the towels in here and wash those towels and take the rags out and wash those. I like to take out my towels and rags periodically throughout the week, just so they can keep a fresh set of towels and rags all week long. So, and we gotta wash and dry in here, so it's no use to having anything dirty in here. We gotta wash and dry. So, anyways, yeah. So this is what it looks like. I think it's so cute. I got it from Amazon. I already mentioned it, yeah. And I got the shower liner from the plain white shower liner from Walmart.com. And this was a very affordable shower curtain. I caught it through a lightning deal. It was a lightning deal. It was on it was originally like $18, but I got it for like $6. So I always look on Amazon for those lightning deals, and I'm an Amazon influencer, so I got more money off as well. So I always try to look for deals any way I can. My daughter said she likes this part right here, like the pumpkins and stuff. I can't wait to show you guys mine. That's gonna be on another video though, so stay tuned.